Hello everyone, I am Sahil Dhol of 2-year classroom program at FITGI Punjabi Bagh Center. I joined in 11th class obviously, and let's start with my journey. When I joined, some people were ahead of me here, and it was really somewhat demotivating that you come back in all the AITS, all the tests. But as the syllabus proceeded on and I gained some grip on the syllabus with the help of my faculties and my classmates, and with all the discussions we did in the class, and with all the quizzes, CPPs, RSMs, packages, AITS, AI square TS, and all weekly tests, monthly tests. They all helped me improve a lot during all my course of 2 years. I would say FITGI is, the best institute for preparing for IIT JEE. Here the atmosphere is such that you study and along with your teammates, that is your classmates, and you progress on and on without looking back, and you gain confidence, you gain tactics to solve the problems, you gain all the methods, you are able to even solve those problems which you were not able to solve before just because of lack of confidence. And the atmosphere, I would suggest it is ultimate. After that, my results were coming and it gave me real confidence. Regarding faculties, they are very helpful, always cleared my doubts anytime. I can call them anytime and just ask them regarding my doubts and they would clear. And there were obviously test doubt clearing sessions and other doubt clearing sessions. And I would like to say there were a lot of healthy discussions even on WhatsApp, and we created a healthy environment among all our teammates, all our classmates, and the teachers, they participated in the discussions, corrected us when we were wrong, and gave us new techniques to solve those problems which we discussed, and new methods, so that our thinking ability may be enhanced to a new level, which was, I think, best part in any institute I can imagine. One main thing, you should have faith in yourself, you should have confidence. You should have confidence that you can solve any problem that comes in front of you. You should have faith on your faculty as well as all your institutes and your classmates. Without that, you cannot succeed, you cannot go much high. With all the faith in my teachers and my teammates and all the discussions that we had, my graph was going continuously up and up. I secured 46th rank in KVPI in class 11th and cleared Olympiads like NSEP Physics Olympiad and NSEA Astronomy Olympiad in class 12th. Then I gained good percentage in CBSE, 97.4%, and a good score in mains as well, and as you know, a good rank in advance. Patience, I think, was one of the key factors for my success. You should not be impatient whether your result will be what. You should rather be concentrated on your concepts. You should concentrate on which concepts you did wrong in the question paper, so that next time you'll do them right. If you concentrate on ranks, you would rather see that your progress will go down and down. So the main concentration should be on concepts rather than on the ranks. I would like to mention AITS. That was, I think, one of the best part to focus on IIT JEE. When we gave AITS in class 12th and 11th, we thought they were of much high level, but actually when you go to face up IIT, when you sit there, you feel the level of questions exactly according to AITS. So I would give you advice that you should definitely give AITS of FITGI. And regarding all other papers, AI square TS, monthly test, weekly test, other rank test paper files, and other papers which we were given were also of so much use. They gave us a variety of questions in limited time, so that we have to solve them in time of 3 hours, rather than we may delay them doing the questions slowly at home practicing. So I would give you advice that you should do practice by doing papers rather than doing questions. Analysis of AITS was ultimate. That was the main part where we improved a lot. The analysis gave us the new tactics and new techniques and new tools, methods to think of that question, so that we may solve exactly that question or some question related to that or another new question, so that we have different techniques going in our mind so that we can solve the question coming in front of us. The discussion was a good part itself. Now I would like to thank FIITJEE, all FIITJEE faculty members, center head, and all my classmates, all my peers, my brother, my parents, and obviously I would like to thank God for giving me such success and for having my lifespan so good in these 2 years.